Fred Williams, Excel primed. We're going to split by row and column. Separate colors by the equal. Put into columns 1, 2 in a new list. We have our rows. That would be our colors. And we have our columns 1, 2. Reason being is we're looking for two separate identities. We're looking at color, place. I don't know where place came in, but that's fine. This is self-entered. Everything else is a function of this function output. You can see B5 is our input. Our column delimiter is equal. Does that mean it's going to split at the equal sign? Then what happens? We have the comma. If we don't have the comma, what's going to happen? It's going to pick up a bunch of other stuff. I want to get rid of this real quick. I'm just going to show you the output. What happens, it's going to grab this entire bit of information, and there's nothing to split. What's happening? It's going to break this thing up. It's going to split. Notice yellow, and it's splitting where? At the equal. Then it's going to produce 1 white, 2, 3, 4, and 4. Look at this. Notice how odd this thing is. We have 1 white. It splits at the equal. We have our third split at 3 pink. If we look at how this was laid out before, comma, input, and you can see the difference here. What the beauty of incorporating the different arguments is it going to produce this pretty remarkable outcome. Notice how we can do both rows and columns. The narrative can't justify what we just did. This is just one of those deals that you need to incorporate through practice, inputting the various arguments to see how creative you can get. It's endless. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to allow you to do that on your own. Otherwise, practice, practice, practice. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, more to come.